Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install fonts in DaVinci Resolve. So if you're using this editing software, it's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to just go to Google and search for DaFont. DaFont is a website where majority of all the font is available and it is completely free. You can search for, if you know the font name, then it's great, you can search for it. If you need the genre, if you are looking for a very different kind of a unique kind of font, you can just look for the in the genre and you can select. So just for an example, if I like this one, right, Centello. So here you can see there's always a download option beside every font. Once I click on download, it is already downloaded here. Now I will go to my download folder and I will just extract it. So right click on it and click on extract all, click on extract. Now here you can see it is extracted. Now here you will find Centello. Just double tap on it, click on install. Once you click on install, you have to just wait for a few seconds and it is already installed, right? Now when you just go to your DaVinci Resolve, first of all you have to close that, close it completely, your editing software. Now just reopen your DaVinci Resolve and you can just go to a font section and you will able to find that font section very easily. Same goes for Premiere Pro and any other editing software. So this font has completely installed in your operating system. You can just use this font anywhere, everywhere you want in this operating system. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.